Oi oi! Welcome to Cook and Vibe! Yeah, my name is M.R. This is Cook and Vibe, and that is Up and Coming Productions. We, today, are doing something different. Yeah man, today people, we are making conch soup. Yeah, so basically conch is something that comes from Jamaica, in the Caribbean. We don't really get it in England. It's a type of seafood, like a shell. So we're going to show you a little thing about the conch and show you what it looks like. Jamaica. Before we deal with this here, you get me? So yeah man, look for a little thing here of the conch, and then we're going to show you today's ingredients and get into it, and we're just putting the fire in and thing there, you know? Yeah man. So this is conch. Yeah, and this comes out of like a big shell, as you see. And you pull this out, they're big, you know. So basically what we want to do is we want to clean this up. So we're just going to take off these little bits around here. Take out this inside bit here. Chop off these parts here. And this little piece down here. And then just chop it up. You know what I'm saying? And then we're going to beat it to tenderize it. You know what I'm saying? So, yeah man, that's what we're going to do first, and then I'll show you the rest of the ingredients. We're just cleaning up the conch now people. You get me? Because you don't want all this on there. So we're just cleaning it up. What? That middle bit out there. Get it? Yeah man, we are clean up the conch people. Basically people, we got to make do today because I ain't got a proper knife yet. I've only been here for a couple of days. So a little butter knife I'm using, and it ain't very sharp, so I'm just trying to take off some of this bit here. So you see what I'm doing here? No, but at home you can have a easier knife. Basically, I'm gonna get this meat from inside here and then dash with these parts. So yeah, look, that bit's cleaned up there. You get me? Just chop out this now, chop out a piece of that, and we're good to go. Yeah! Alright, so we need to beat it now and tenderize it, people, yeah? So I'm just gonna put it on this rock. You get me? Once that's tenderized. Oi oi! Once that's tenderized, we can cut it up more finely and deal with it. Isn't it? Yes, Ben, real Jamaica style. You know what I'm saying? We had to build the fire with no firelight out. We have to use plastic bag plastic bag, you know the style there now, innit, Ben? Plastic bag to make the fire. Yeah, so the coal pot will go on up there. We just, yeah man, a really hard style we are dealing with right now. I tenderize the conch, you know? Why not? Alright, so conch ready to be cut up fine now. Should be tender enough, yeah man. Alright then people. Yeah, so we got some scallion. We got some thyme. I'm gonna put these straight in, yeah? Yeah, so scallion. Just break that up like that. Oi! Dash that in there. You get me? Thyme. Go straight in. Oi oi. Right people, have a look at my ingredients. This is what we're gonna put in it, right? So we've got the thyme and scallion in there already. We've got some pumpkin. We've got some Irish potato. We've got some carrots. And we've got some Scotch bonnet. You know what I'm saying? So that is what we're gonna put in there. We've got a couple seasonings as well. You get me? I would have liked to put some corn in there, but I couldn't find no corn right away. So yeah, pumpkin, Irish potato, carrot. Do you know what? Scotch bonnet can all go in from now. You get me? So yeah, me I go on, cut up the pumpkin first. But I true say, when I'm on a good knife, I feel like I'm just gonna chop the pumpkin with the skin and then eat off the skin once it's inside. No problem, you know? Yeah. So like I said, we ain't got a proper knife yet. We've only been here a couple of days. It's like the first time we've kind of cooked on our own, so I've just chopped the pumpkin in quite big. So, just chopping the carrot. Yeah man, our little Dutchy pot, we just got that today as well, people. Yeah! Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment and share. You know the tingo, people. Yeah, outside working. Once I put the carrot in, then we'll put the Irish potato. And yeah, then we're good. Put the conch in, bit of seasoning. Yeah. Just a rough chopping today, people. You know what I'm saying? It's a rough chop thing today. Yeah, some seasonings we are dealing with now, Ben. You see me? Yeah, man, for all purpose and thing. As you can see, people, I'm just cutting it up nice and little thin like that. You get me? Yeah. Yeah, man, conch ready to go in our pot. Why ice cook and vibe? Conch going in now. You get me? I don't really know how long it's going to take to cook the conch. I don't think it takes that long to cook. But, yeah, just going to put that in there now. Yeah! Magic thing. All right, we've got something special here as well. So as we're dealing with conch soup, on the side of the road, you can just buy these pepper shrimp. Now you know I love the pepper shrimp from the watermelon, right? So this is like some authentic pepper shrimp off the side of the road in Jamaica. So whilst we're on the seaside, yeah man, we're gonna deal with some pepper shrimp. So it comes in a little bag. Take off that. Take off this piece. All right. Oh my God. Oh my God. People, see these pepper shrimp here? Yo, 10-10. Pepper shrimp on the seaside in Jamaica. Oi, oi. Yeah. Oi, oi. Pot of coke. You see me? So, and not too long and that's done, people. So basically, we're outside and we didn't have no firelighters or anything, so I'll just use plastic bag and leaf. Yeah, so it took a little while for the pot to get going, but I'm gonna be honest with you, it's looking good. So about 10 minutes, people, and we're good to go. Like, can you hear that noise? So you know we're in Jamaica. Yeah. Ready up! Oi oi! You get me? Yeah. So I'm just gonna go in there. Let have some conch there. No, that we got some potato, we got some carrot, and we got some pumpkin there. See the conch there? Watching up people, man. Whoa, yoy! Yeah, you look for the plate. Yeah? Conch soup. Now you can't get this in England in a G. Yeah, we can't get the conch, so this is a special thing that we're gonna
get the conch.
You can't get it. All right, so you done no taste time, people. Conch soup's ready. So really and truly, when we find one, Peter. Yes, people. So you see the conch there? We're gonna try that first. Mmm. It's like a little bit like crab, a little bit like shrimp, but it's got its own little flavour. You see me? So pumpkin, Irish potato. I don't know what I'm gonna do. I'll just say we're on a spoon. Yeah. Carrot.
All this summer, if you ever want food, you eat out pot cover, isn't it?
Yeah.
So we do it, you know?
Yeah. Yeah.
Respect your pot cover, man.
Yeah.
Get sick now, hold the pot cover.
Yeah.
And you share your
Yeah.
and you might.
Yeah.
You
You hear that, people? When the man say in Jamaica when they're down a pot, they just use a pot cover. Put something underneath it, rest it, put your food on that. You get me? So yeah.
Well, if you have pot, a man can grab the pot.
Yeah.
Same here.
Yeah. More conch. Yeah, man. Proper thing. And you know, so I wanted to cook this from time I was in England, but couldn't get no conch. I tried, but a good vibes, man. So you know you didn't got people. Big up section. I'll see you next time. Bye bye. Greetings, tell me how you're feeling. It's the big up section. You don't know where to go, people. Leave a comment in the comment section for your chance. Why-hoy! Welcome to the big up section. As you can see, new set out. And as you're seeing this set out, this was kind of originally for the big up section, but so busy, I never got time to finishing it off. But yeah, we finished it off. The brand new big up section. I hope you like it. I've got some new lights and stuff, but I'm not best with lights and stuff, so I don't know, positioning maybe a little bit more, but hopefully it's looking clean. Let me know in the comments if the big up section is looking clean and is looking better and you like the new setup. You see me? Thanks everybody. Make sure you subscribe, like, comment and share. Check out my brand new music video that is out right now. Big up Kid Smith. Says, best tune I've heard from you. This deserves some serious radio play. And that is regarding the tune Firm Out There, featuring Izel, that is on the channel right now. Go check that out, please, and make sure you share. Also, big up Rose Gold. Says, always a pleasure to watch you. You never disappoint. The content is always fresh, new and exciting. It's easy to forget you're from the UK sometimes, the way you cook and vibe like a real yardie. You love the island and it shows. Thank you for showing me my home when I can't be there. Love from Toronto, Canada. It's a good look, Emda. Big up yourself, Rose Gold. You know what I'm saying? I saw it steer. You know? I saw it steer and I saw it deal with the team. Yeah. We bring them vibes. And it don't matter if you're black, white, yellow, purple, or if you come from Egypt or India. Wherever you like and whatever you do, you can promote something and just give it a positive vibes. Cook on Vibes is about giving people good energy, good vibes, teaching you how to cook, showing the lovely island of Jamaica, and also showing the lovely other places of the world. Do you know what I'm saying? So big up yourself, people. See you next time. Right now, Bennett consumed the conch soup. He said the juice is special. That's what he said. Special. Yo, 10-10 people. You get me? Look at that.